Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. And this process video is for Mini Kit Monday, February 2024 challenge. I am back. Yes, so let all your friends know I am back. I will probably be really rusty in the month of February, but the more I record, I will get back to my normal routine. It's kind of like riding a bicycle. And through the month of February, I will share my story, why I have been absent since September of 2023. All right, for Mini Kit Monday, February 2024 challenge, the title is I Love Love. This month, we will be dedicating or documenting love, relationships, and or using Valentine's or romantic papers. I am still unpacking and trying to get my little scrappy area set up. So right now I'm still very limited what is available to me at hand. And I had this unfinished kit, and most of it is from close to my heart. Oh, yes. And by the way, for those individuals that were used to me being a close to my heart maker consultant, I am no longer a maker consultant. And again, that's part of all this transition that's happened with my family. All right. Everything's okay. I digress. Let's get back to my February kit. So on the first Monday of every month, we share with you our kit. All right. Let me get my papers out here in front of you. And this paper is an old collection from close to my heart called Flower Shop. And yes, you don't think of yellow as part of Valentine's, or maybe some people might think of yellow as part of Valentine's, but we're going to see what we can incorporate. We have this beautiful dark green, and we have some pink here. So that's a sticker sheet. I have a scrap paper here of cardstock from close to my heart. I have this 6x6 paper, and I think this is from a Maggie Holmes collection. I'm not really sure. And it says love, and it's kind of a reddish pink, which really sets off this flower pattern. And then I have this diagonal stripe. And again, it is from the Flower Shop. And this is the opposite side. And I may incorporate some of that with my layout. So that's layout number 1. Or kind of what could be layout number 1, because I could always switch it up. And then I put this together for layout number 2. So we have, again, a diagonal stripe that's wide and thin. And I'm not sure what collection this is from. So I selected these 3 papers for one layout. So we have some of that mint blue color with yellow and that brighter green. And then this would be page kit number 2. And here I have close to my heart Flower Shop. I have a couple of strips of paper here, and I do not know what collection that came from, but I kind of liked how that went together. And then I selected this cardstock. Then I have this older paper from Simple Stories from 2019, and it is from a Valentine collection, and it has my heart. The words overlap, so that it doesn't really make any sense in the sentences because they overlap, but they have words like kiss, love you, to the moon. And then I brought in one daisy white cardstock. I'll probably bring in more daisy white cardstock, but that is my starting point for to create 3 layouts for the month of February for close to my heart. I grabbed these stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. I thought they went well with the collection. Then I had some miscellaneous. I have these dots from close to my heart. So it has the green and the pink and blue and different shades of pink. And then I have some embellishments that are from the flower shop, but also miscellaneous ones that are thrown in here from different collections. And I'm just going to throw these out here on my mat. Stickers that are pink, blue, and that mint color. Birds. And I have this bow right there. So that is all in that little envelope. Oh, there's some more. Sorry, there's still some more there. And then we have some blue word phrases, and this says beautiful, all. It has arrows. It has an ampersand, some banners, and then we have it in a wood grain. It says bloom and memories, and I can color this or distress it. We have a camera. We have a tab or tag. So that is what's in that bundle. And let me just shove this over here to the side because it's going to take too long to put it in. Oh, and I have this little piece of ribbon that's in gold. Then there are some acrylic pieces. And these are all not from the flower shop, but this is what I have out or have in this bag. So we have several options there on some acrylic pieces just to bring some dimension to the layout. So we're going to scoot all that over here to my left. I don't know if it'll be to your right. And then I selected 3 photos. This is a picture of my daughter-in-law, and I just love our relationship. So that is one photograph there. Matter of fact, her and my son are celebrating their anniversary today. This is my sister that came to visit back in 2012. And again, just love our relationship. And then this is a picture of myself, my husband, and our little guy is a couple years old. And anyway, those are the 3 photographs that I chose to use with the kit that I just put together. Be sure to go check out Becky Kathy's channel. I will have the link listed below. We would love for you to play along, and we have a Facebook group site, and I will have that link listed below. We would love to see your kit, so snap a photograph of your kit and upload it to the February 2024 album and every layout that you create. And then at the end of the month, someone will be selected to get a little gift from us. All right, thanks for stopping by. Give me a thumbs up. I did lose about 50 subscribers, and I don't blame them because I was not putting out any videos at all. Anyway, we'll go into the story throughout the month of February. All right, keep coming back. We'll see you next time.